Earn money online without investment. Fiverr. Step-by-step guide. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Next Dollar, where we show you real ways to make money online, without fake promises and without wasting your time. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start earning on Fiverr, step by step, with zero investment. I'll cover how to sign up, set up your gig, get your first order, and how to actually withdraw your money safely. So grab a pen and notebook, let's go. Section 1. What is Fiverr? First, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is an online freelancing platform where people pay you for simple services, like logo design, voiceovers, writing, video editing, or even data entry. You don't need any money to get started, only your skills, time, and consistency. Millions of people use Fiverr every day, so you have a real chance to earn. Section 2. How to sign up. 1. Go to fiverr.com. 2. Click on Join. You can sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook. 3. Confirm your email address. 4. Complete your profile. Add a good profile picture, write a clear bio about what you do and your skills. Tip: be honest and keep your profile professional. Clients trust real profiles. Section 3. How to create a gig. Your gig is your service offer. Here's how to do it. 1. Click on Become a Seller. 2. Click Create a New Gig. 3. Write a catchy title like, I will design a professional logo for your business. 4. Choose the correct category. 5. Add keywords / tags. This helps people find you. 6. Set your price. You can start with $5 to get your first order quickly. 7. Add 3 clear gig images. You can use Canva to design them. 8. Write a detailed gig description. Explain what the buyer will get. 9. Add FAQs and requirements, what you need from the buyer. 10. Publish your gig. You're live. Section 4. How to get your first order. Share your gig link on social media. Join Facebook groups and freelancing communities. Use Fiverr's buyer requests feature daily. Keep your response rate 100%. Deliver on time and get good reviews. Patience is key. Your first order can take 1 week or 1 month, but once you have reviews, more orders come. Section 5. How to withdraw money. Once you complete an order, Fiverr holds your money for 14 days for security. After that, you can withdraw through PayPal, direct bank transfer, Payoneer best for Pakistani and Indian freelancers. Always use your own verified account to receive payments safely. Section 6. Pro tips to earn more. Always deliver quality work. Communicate politely with buyers. Keep improving your gig images and descriptions. Learn trending skills like AI art, short video editing, or blog writing. Never copy other people's gigs word for word. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Next Dollar, and comment below if you want more real earning ideas. And remember, you don't need huge investments to start making money online. You just need patience, consistency, and skills. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.